Good day. Step 6 Proprietary Technology Negotiation. Student Carmen Yesenia Maldonado. Code 1033-712-582. Grupo número 4. Tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gómez. What is intellectual property? Intellectual property or IP relates to the creation of the mint, invention, literature, and aesthetic works as will and symbol names that imagined use in commerce. How is protected? The law protects IP, for example, your parents' copy and determine which allow return or profit for invention or creation. By balancing the interest of innovator and the public interested in the system settled through the further and enabling environment for creative and innovation flourishing. Industrial property in Colombia must protect be interesting with the Superintendency of Industry and Commerce. Value to value meet use. We alchemize the three approach ration for washing clothing. The cost-based approach, which state that the value of the pants or the patents is equal to the riches and development costs related to the patent. But we are don't clear about the cost and we don't know what to the understand. Then for this reason we did not choose it. Market-based approaches. The approach present to major problem fears is not easy to collect that from parents that are really commercialists and have a value. Second, each patent is unique. So painting similar pattern is art. For the reason we not chose in there. And I canvas approach, which state that the evaluated patent is equal to the income tree that the patents or the plans to evade during the life of the patent. Addition is novel and is novel, is direct of the censure management. According to the above, we chose the latter as the evaluation method. License overview. About general condition of the license. Some important points is specific below. Party Compass Software Colombia SE and Comparator. Start date February 2, 2021. Duration 10 years. 10 years. Links IP nature patent. Working hours. Says the chronometer for weekend. Cost I be responsibility of license company to respond for the cost related to the transfer of technology. This company will also be responsible for providing the physical technology infrastructure necessary of the correct development of the software. Any new development improvement does not include with free software service will be a zombie this company and software profile.